I'm on my way to work and it's so cold out. Happy Monday. Bye, babies. Is that when it starts?
Yeah, Mondays. Every Monday.
Happy Monday vlog.
Happy Monday. Do you have any words of wisdom for the week?
So right now I'm really on my gut health journey, and every morning I wake up, have a glass of orange juice, a glass of kefir, have all of my vitamins, then I have my 2 cups of coffee. And that's my tip of the day, of the week. My tip of the week is live fast, die young, bad girls do it well.
I love that one.
Yeah. We went to a friend's talk and now we're at the river having drinks. I worked this morning. I'm wearing my mom's old shirt and I love it so much. It felt like I think it's like an old J. Crew shirt, but it feels like very Gucci girly. So I put on a little teeny midi skirt and these tights that I got for Christmas.
Went over to my friend's father and said, hey, I want to go to my mother's house for like a little town.
Was it picturesque? Everyone's a little bit of a freak. Freaky deaky. Hey, I want chips. I'm making a pavlova and my meringue just turned out so beautiful. Look at that. My peaks are gorgeous. I'm so happy with how it turned out and it's so glossy. I'm gonna try and do this with one hand, but I think I'm gonna have to put you guys down. Filled in the center, it will be really gorgeous because it does have some really nice side peaks, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go pop it in the oven. We're going out to get eggs. We have no eggs in the house. And I want to make breakfast sandwiches. Hello, baby.
I always wanted to do a smoky eye, and she did a semi today.
Yeah, I did like a tight line situation.
And I think she killed it. She looks gorgeous. Always.
I felt a little nervous. I'm not very good at it. I like minimal makeup because I feel like if I do too much makeup, I all of a sudden like don't know who I am.
Yeah, that's fair.
But
Leave my house.
you're too sweet. But we're at Shuka. We're getting dinner. We're waiting on Izzy.
Fuck on look.
Thank you.
Oh, well, no, we gotta wait for Izzy.
I am gonna just take a sip.
Did you order?
He ordered it. I'll be coming shortly.
Nobody drink yet. Nobody
And I
drink
lost
yet.
my garnish when I drank
Come on.
it.
Oh, you did?
To Papa.
Cheers to Papa.
To Papa. We love you, Papa.
The Redford owl. Fixing my hair.
Yeah? You're fixing your hair, baby.
I think I did it. I think I finished. You were.
My phone like won't focus. That's it, baby. Cheers!
Do it to the floor. Are you ready? Oh, one more.
We're at Erin getting a drink before we go over.
for me, okay? Hold on. Because it's doing like a timer thing.
James, you
Okay.
look like a fucking mime.
Wait, hang on. Right there. One more. Right there. That's hot. All right. One more. And hold.
The only person we're tagging is
Mulmager Chris.
Perfect.
Yes.
Hi, little vlog. It is a car home with Thomas. It's 4 a.m. He just finished playing and I'm so tired tonight. Sorry. We went to dinner at Shuka and then we went to Erin and then Thomas DJ'd from like 12:30 to 4, so. Hello, baby.
This is cute.
I'm about to go to sleep, man. That's great. How you doing? Immediately. There's nothing on it. He's so cute. I love him.
Oh, whoa. My phone also
We should do This is like
Hi, guys.
cinema.
This is cinema.
Yeah.
Thomas came, he has to go get a tattoo, so he left us, but we've been sitting here for like 2 hours.
Sipping this. She really doesn't like this, guys. It's a mocha, but I asked to make it with almond milk.
I do not like almond milk, I don't think. And I didn't know that until right now. I did not like
I also don't really like this one. Usually I'm okay with almond milk,
But it was fun. It was like a sexy little date. It's so cute in here.
we finished it though.
It just was it was literally a hot chocolate. But we got a burger and a chicken club for the 3 of us to split, and it was good. What's the little postcards? You're gonna take this home with you and write a little note about how you love me?
Yeah. I will do that.
Maybe you'll do a little doodle on it about how much you love me.
Yeah, I will do that.
You guys, we're still here. It's been like 5 or 6 hours. So much happened. I don't even know. It feels like a fever dream. It doesn't feel like this day actually happened. But yeah.
Just like the fact that it followed up from last night too.
I know. Last night and today felt crazy, but we moved into the lounge and we've just been sitting here on my computer doing some vlog stuff. Yeah. You're making me nervous. I'm going to show the room. Okay, you guys ready to see the room? Did you like that?
I did like that. I like that a lot.
James, when I did that transition, James goes, "Oh, that's good. That's really good." But yeah, we're in like the little hotel lobby, just sitting on a little thing tent. We got some drinks. There's James' fucking electrolyte. Good morning. Happy. What day is it?
Saturday?
Saturday. Tomas going to work. I'm dropping him off. But it's cold and chilly and we're about to get a snowstorm, so I'm gonna go grocery shopping right now because we want to make, what's it called? Shepherd's pie. We're gonna make shepherd's pie during the snowstorm, so.
So do I have to exit on this side? Go in the manner. Oh, then we'll reset it too? Okay.
Well, I just thought you could read. But it was like, it said, it was like, it's actually totally fine. It's a top all at the same
Appreciate it.
Everyone, we're choosing all 3 at the same time.
Cheers! Yeah, get in there.
Choose one. I'll throw one in there. Now drink them up.
Bought that at the fucking deli.
Oh, you bought it? I didn't say no. I didn't get a burp.
No, don't do that right now.
Oh my god. In this climate? With all this Fortnite.
And that's that. He did a really good one on the vlog the other week, though.
A burp?
I didn't
No.
go. I just chugged half my White Claw. Now I gotta chug this.
Good night, vlog.
I'm so scared.
Okay. Did you buy a solo guy?
I should have pictured my ID to the fucking.
Object. Here's my object.
Snowing so much.
You guys, it's really fucking snowy. It's so gorge. I'm obsessed.
Yes! Let me fucking go.
Snow Day Victory Royale. We picked up Thai food from this place, Ayada or something. I think that's what it's called, in Chelsea Market. Now we're gonna go take the bus home. It is snowing so heavily. Okay.
Yeah.
This snow is so thick, I can't break my arms through. That was not good. It's so cold. No, that did not work well. Oh, so much ice went up my back. That's my snow angel.
So
Now it's like something else.